Hey, what's going on, everybody? After a brief pause in construction because of this ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we are right back at it on site, and construction has resumed this week. And so I'm so excited to share what has been going on behind the scenes because there's a lot of work that has been done because we got to catch up. So let's take you inside and show you what was done this week. So as usual, we're going to open up the doors. There you go, and we're gonna flip the camera and look at that. A lot of the drywall has been done. Before you saw the skeleton frame, and now you can see pretty much the drywall skin on top of that skeleton. We can see the ceilings, they're so tall. In this area here where we're gonna have these beams coming down, there's no ceilings there. I'm gonna zoom out so you can actually see a better perspective and see how tall this ceiling is. It's about 13 feet, and there's gonna be millwork on that side. There's drywall, drop ceiling here, so there's gonna be so many layers. The complexity is through the roof. Here's gonna be our discovery room here with the glass panels, display case with all these products that we recommend for our patients. There's going to be our beverage station here. This is one of our hygiene rooms with these huge windows along the side here. And we wanted the natural light to travel throughout the office. So we actually introduced these glass transoms on top of the actual glass door. Remember, each of our operatories are enclosed rooms and negative pressure to really keep the aerosols generated inside the operatories. But you can see all that light from the windows is going to travel through the transom into the corridor space here. So that's hygiene 1. This is hygiene 2, again, with all these big windows along that side. And then this is op 1, another big room with big windows. And then this is our surgical room there. There's no windows in there for privacy and for surgeries. So you can see even in our rooms here, we decided to go with drywall ceilings, no office T-bar ceilings, just because I love the aesthetic of the smooth drywall ceilings. But we added a layer of complexity here with a 2-tiered ceiling with millwork above the drop ceiling that's highlighted by these light beams and cove lighting. It's gonna look fantastic. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate everyone's support through these challenging times. And I can't wait to show you what's gonna be happening these next few weeks, because I know there's a lot that's gonna be happening, and this place is gonna look so different so quickly. So make sure you stay tuned. Thanks again, and stay safe, everyone. Peace.